I absolutely love heating my home with this wood stove, but let's face it, there are risks when you heat your home in this way, especially if you're leaving your home in the care of someone that's not you and maybe doesn't know how to run a wood stove that great. In this video, I want to share with you a new device that we've installed here at our home that's going to help to ensure that we can appreciate all the benefits of having a wood stove without having to worry so much about some of the risks. Hey everybody, this is Praxis. In a couple of days, I'm going to be heading out on an extended trip, and I'm leaving my house in the care of someone that is not as accustomed to running a house with a wood stove being the primary heat source as I am. That made me a little bit nervous, and because of that, I bought this device here. This is my insurance policy. What this is a monitor that monitors the temperature of the flue gases leaving the wood stove. As you know, if you run a wood stove, you want to make sure that it doesn't run too hot. If it runs too hot, you can end up burning your house down, essentially. So whenever you put in wood into the fire, you're always having to kind of come back and check on it. And I didn't want to have to rely on this person always remembering to do that. This device here has an audible alert, and if it goes above a certain temperature, the default temperature that's programmed into this, though you can change it, is 480 degrees. If it hits that temperature, it puts off a buzz, and it just alerts you in the house to come over and check it out. Now, I bought this specifically because I felt nervous about leaving my house in the care of someone that's not accustomed to running a wood stove heated home. But only having had it for a week, I absolutely love this device because it makes my life so much easier. You know the way it is. Whenever you throw more fuel into the fire, you got to, and you usually will kind of open up the damper and let some more air in to get it going. You have to kind of be around. You got to stick around until the wood stove temperature kind of stabilizes. And if I'm doing something in another room, I'm always kind of having a break away from what I'm doing. Maybe I'll have a timer set to remind me, like every 5 minutes, just come back and check the wood stove, make sure that it's not getting too hot until it stabilizes, and then I can kind of put it into its catalytic mode and everything. But during that time period, it's really distracting if you're trying to do other things, and this is great because this is now my babysitter. I feel like where have you been all my life? Is kind of like the emotional situation I'm finding myself in, because I was fine without this, but things are so much better with it. Now, this is made by Auber Instruments, and one of the things I like about this setup is it's really, really simple. Now, the people at Auber, I called them up. I'm never shy about asking questions, including stupid questions of people, and I had them walk me through the entire thing. I just wanted to make sure I got the right parts and everything. In retrospect, I needn't have been so concerned about it. It was super, super easy to set up. But the people over there were really, really great about answering all my questions. Sharon, in particular, she was the one that was fielding a lot of my questions. She was great. So it's a great company in terms of customer support. And once I got it here, I realized I didn't really need to worry about it. Super easy to set up. On the bottom here, there's just 3 ports. One, all the way on the left here, is the power. That's your power input. That's just plug it into a regular wall outlet, and it's just regular DC power going in. Right next to that, there is a port for plugging in an optional buzzer. Now, this has a buzzer built into it, but you can have an additional buzzer that's a little bit louder. I bought this one. I have not plugged it in yet. I don't know whether I necessarily need it, but it was pretty inexpensive, and I just ordered it with the kit. This is just a small buzzer kit that just plugs right in there. This thing I might kind of run into the upstairs so that I can have a little bit more sound volume, just as, added insurance. And the third port on the bottom here, all the way to the right, is this yellow plug is plugged into it. That is the plug for the sensor, and the sensor was really, really easy to install on the wood stove. You don't have to drill any holes in your wood stove pipe or anything like that. The way this particular wire works is that it runs down to a little washer attachment on the end, and you just take out one of the screws that you're using to hold together your chimney pipes, one of the unions, and you just screw the washer tip of the sensor right flush up against the chimney pipe, and that's the end of it. It was super, super easy to set up. I suppose if you didn't want to connect this at a union, you could make your own hole somewhere, but again, you don't have to, and you can use pre-existing holes, and you don't have to modify anything. Really, really simple to set up. And another thing that I really love about this is that you can tell whether the temperature of the chimney is going up or going down. I know most people, myself included, you know, we've got those little it's kind of mechanical. It's got like a little spring on the inside that expands and contracts, and that gives you kind of a ballpark idea about what the temperature is of your wood stove. You know, those don't really give you a really precise way of knowing exactly what the temperature is in there. And I know myself, I've got 3 of them stuck to the chimney right above where the firebox is, and they all disagree. You know, one of them will tell me I'm running at like almost 550 degrees, and the other one says I'm in like the mid 350s or so. So those things don't tend to be super accurate. This thing here has a great degree of accuracy, and I love that I can just watch numerically the temperature going up or going down. So if I'm concerned, like maybe I've overheated a little bit and I want to, you know, make sure that the temperature is coming down, I can, you know, cut the air to it and then come back here and I can see, well, we just went from 171 to 169 here. I can see whether it's incrementally going down or incrementally still climbing. That's a level of accuracy that you don't tend to get on those mechanical thermometers that you attach right to the chimney stack. So for that reason, in addition to all the other reasons, I absolutely love this device. I'm never going to build another house and install a wood stove in it without having something like this, because it just adds so much more convenience to my life, and I've got that peace of mind that if I forget, or if you leave your house to be babysat by someone who might forget to check the wood stove often enough, you're going to have that peace of mind that you're going to have an audible buzzer that's going to go off and warn you so that you can do something about it before it becomes a problem. That's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Links to anything that I talked about in this video are going to be down in the description below, and thanks for watching. Hey YouTube preppers, if you enjoyed this video, here's another that I think you might like. But before you click on it, I wanted to take a moment to thank all the people you see on the right-hand side of your screen. They help to support all the work that I do here over at patreon.com. If you'd like to join them and get your name added to the list, the link's below.